vida todo el tiempo que se pueda. Quizás tal vez mañana muera. Por eso me he visto de cacha y agarro la primavera. A mí me ves zumbando en Texas. Soy el del F-150. Los vidrios bien oscuros, al chile se ve pendeja. No quiero panocheos, yo vivo mi vida recia. Ando al sacón, a mí me dicen la muñeca. En las discotecas me miran de party a party. No tengo horario, mi reloj es Armani. En el pecho mis ajudas me acompaña donde quiera, ponte verga. Traigo una nueva en la guantera, a mí me ves en el solazo, no me importa que me jale. Me chingo bien machín, pero me aviento varios jales. Cuenten conmigo, no más tarde que me hablen. Con dinero baile el perro, se afirma, tú sabes. No me rajo, al chile a veces me miro bien gacho. Nomás no se noté porque le pongo unos vergazos. El Benny anda apagado, el polvo no me deja abajo. El Brad dice es de guerra cuando se arman los putazos. Y papas, a veces agarro chingo de vaca.
What's going on, guys? It's Thursday, 10 o'clock. It says 9:50. Yeah, it's 9. Almost 10 o'clock. But we're on the way to the movies. What we finna watch, babe? What we finna watch?
Fast and the Furious.
Finna watch the new Fast and the Furious. Let's see what type of crazy shit they got going on now. Probably not no street racing. They're gonna be racing in the moon.
That's probably the next one.
Right. And then the wheelchairs eventually. That boy Felix back there. Can't even see with his bright ass lights. But yeah, I get back with y'all once we arrive.
Dicen que entre carnales no existe la envidia, pero son las riñas llenas pura hipocresía. Hoy en día ya no existe ni la familia. Sé que les fastidia, no están cuando necesitas. Mi pedo que le hacemos puro para arriba. Vibras positivas, activa para andar arriba. Inyecto en mi mente las líneas de energía. No hablo de fingirla, sino ser trucha en la vida. Mi padre me dejó cuando yo estaba morro. Mi adicción al motor resultaba adrenalina.
I don't know, just follow me. I hate it. I'm gonna run these people over. Right here. What we finna watch? What we finna watch?
Man, I already said that like 5 times.
Victor's truck. Take this, or you can't even
What we
bring
finna
it.
watch, bro? What we finna watch?
That fast, what, 9?
Fast 10, 11, 13. At the premiere. Yes, sir. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Woo. Truck. What's up, bro?
Dirty, huh? Yeah.
Shit, still looks clean. Who else is coming? What? The game's on? Don't split the pool.
No, I try not to.
Hey, ooh, they got Dippin' Nuts. They're gonna kick me out. We're not even 2 minutes in here. Golly. Hey, bro. This ain't Fast and the Furious. It's dinosaurs. What you think, bro? What you think?
It was pretty fake.
Pretty fake. Could have been better. but it's late o'clock. Man, it was alright. It was alright. What time is it? Let me see your phone. 12:54. Las troquis. Which one turned on? That was Felix's or what? I thought that was a lightning. What? Damn. Vámonos a dormir. I gotta be up in 2-3 hours. Let's go. Let's go.
The next day.
What's going on, people? What's going on? It's Friday. Long time no see. We're right here at work. I just installed that top track. Got my partner down there cutting the studs. Yes, sir. We're ready. Look, got it framed out already. Ooh, yes, sir. Gonna put the drywall next. And that's how our Friday's going. Pretty easy, pretty easy. Easy money. But, yep, I'll get back with y'all. Bam! Just like that, we done. Ooh, I'll get back with y'all when I get home. Boom! Man, we're out of work. Where we at, babe? Where we at? Ooh, Mr. Hamburger with the creepy logo. Hey, we? Oh man, my truck used to always be parked right here.
Right here.
I'm gonna show a flashback. Yeah, it's the good old hamburger. My first job and shit. Not my first job, but like I was here when they opened this little business. But yeah, finna get something to eat. But we already ordered. We waiting.
Yeah.
Woo, woo. Ya no más. What you think, babe? What you think? You think they be Whataburger?
I mean, yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's good.
Y'all need to come try this. Try Mr. Hamburger out. They need to pay me for this shit. Cut.
A few moments later.
Part what? 5,000?
35.
3,500. Hey, bro, get the everybody. Right here. Finna show y'all blue. I haven't showed y'all blue in like a month and a half, probably like 2 months. I don't know. It's because I've been forgetting to record and man, y'all know the deal. La blue. Ahí está. Como quedó. Toda chocada and shit. Look, it looks pretty on that side, but this side, the ugly side. We got the wheel on it. Woo. But we're really waiting for the painter because he's busy right now with all this hail damage, and he just said in about 2 weeks should be ready to take it in. So hopefully in 2 weeks we'll be in the shop. But yeah, we're finna. Right now we came over here to remove the exhaust. Dang, it's all messed up, but it's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna switch out these seats too. They got ugly because it doesn't have a door, so like when it rains, it has a cover on it, but water still gets through. But yeah, I'll probably swap out the seats too. Let's see how it ends up. But yeah, let's get to this. Woo. Grab the hood. Let's man, watch out. This place right here. Right. We're gonna get another one anyway. Woo. Untouched. Let's turn it on. Let's move it. We gotta move it. A cold start. swap out the old wheel, the only good wheel that made it through. Dang, everything else back here. My tailgate, I took it off. The other wheels I got for it. Ooh, dang, I'm gonna have to get all the side skirts. Most of them broke. This one's got all scraped up really bad. But it's just paper.
Oh shit.
What happened?
Jam pipe.
Where?
There you go.
That bitch. I mean, pull that. What was the kids' bop version for bitch, bro? Man, just throw that whole away, bro. I'm gonna recycle it. Whew, the exhaust is off. Nah, let's drive it home now. That was before I crashed it, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Scarface. You know what's up if you want the mixes. Bryan, Texas area. You know who to hit
No
up,
sé
man.
nada.
You know who to hit up. Hey, let me see again.
Todo al revés.
Todo naco and shit.
Naco.
Naco. I haven't heard that word in a minute. Nothing wrong with my steering wheel. First mod like my boy Felix. Muscular delete. Ahí está la blue. Ahora sí, sin exhaust and shit. Right, cuz. Now we need to take it to the painter. Come on, painter. Hit me up, cuz. The Adrian glasses. Boy, you look like SpongeBob. When he was wearing the...
Spacesuit.
Nah, that, yeah. I was thinking of the Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy suit.
Oh, that show
That
where they all
suit,
turn
too.
to superheroes.
Yeah, that's what he looked like. But I forgot, man. We had to do the airbag. Where's the airbag at? Right here.
Oh, pero ese es de allá, ¿verdad?
Right here on this side. The wheel? Oh. Open that whole way? Open it.
Don't you have the keys? Oh, but
It's not.
battery's
Battery's not connected. Ábreme, cuz.
Press the button.
Just unlock it, way. Just pull the door. Pull the door. What I tell you? What I tell you, goddamn? Look, ooh, we gotta replace that airbag right there. Damn, they have videos and shit. From that day. First step to removing, to replacing this connector, to replacing your airbag, man. You gotta pull the top piece. It's just clipped on there. I'm just repeating what the YouTube tutorial is repeating. I said I'm just repeating what the tutorial is repeating. Look at you, picking your piojos. Airbag out, airbag out. Let me see your flash, bro. All right, look, so the first screw is gonna be up here, right there. It's gonna be an 8mm. The second one's gonna be, it's gonna be down here, up there, in that hole. And the third one's gonna be right there. And then you gotta wiggle it out. Be careful with the cables. I mean, well, if you already got it popped, then you gotta be careful, but gotta be careful with that one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tighten those two nuts. Right there, right there. And then the top one. Keep getting it. I already got that. The airbag done. Needs to be clean. This shit look dirty. Next is the steering wheel. Not right now though, I don't got it right now. I don't know if I should. What y'all think? Should I put a quick release on that hoe or what? What you think, bro? What you think? Quick release? Yeah?
Para que no te lo roben.
Right. Take my steering wheel everywhere. Shit, yeah, right. They're gonna drive that bitch with a screwdriver. Alright, now we're done for the day, man. Gotta take my lines. Pinches tijeras del trabajo and shit. Mira. Bien organizada. But hell yeah, we done for the day. That was it for being with Blue. What you gotta say, bro? What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say? Man, fuck this. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap for our Friday.
Lo turco que no quitamos.
Porque, oh, ta madre. Nut done. Broken side. It's alright. It's alright. Probably next time y'all see blue should probably be with the painter, man. Hopefully. Whew. Let's pray. But yeah. That was our Friday for today. Oops. The old airbag. The crashed bed panel. And the one we took off. Boom. This is how we ended my night and shit. El Felix playing on the Switch. What you playing, bro?
El Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're right here. Ooh, that look ugly. But yeah, if you stay through to the end, appreciate you. It's been a minute since I posted a vlog, but you stayed through. You're a real one. Appreciate that. Yeah. Till next time.